what are the types of accounts? Okay, let's start with the elements of financial statements. Number 1, assets. Number 2, liabilities. Number 3, equity. Number 4, revenue. And number 5, expenses. Under assets, we have examples such as cash, accounts receivable, inventory, equipment, etc. Liabilities, we have accounts payable, salaries payable, loans payable, etc. Number 3, we have capital. Okay, withdrawal, net income, or retained earnings in case of corporation. Number 4, we have revenue. Samples such as sales, service income, other income, etc. Expenses, we have salaries and wages, depreciation, supplies expense, insurance expense, etc. So these 3 accounts, what we call balance sheet accounts. And the other 2 accounts, we call it income statement accounts. So the balance sheet accounts sometimes or also referred to as real accounts, and the income statement accounts is referred to as nominal account. So for better understanding, I suggest na pag-aralan nyo po yung iba't ibang klase ng chart of accounts. Chart of accounts for service company, chart of accounts for merchandising, as well as manufacturing companies. Okay? So, that's it. Ito po si Sir Tatay na nagsasabing, ang buhay ay parang accounting. Para masaya, kailangang balansehin. Alright?